Welcome you all. This is Adarsh Vidyalaya online chemistry class, standard 10th, session 6, unit 11, carbon and its compounds. Already we have discussed manufacture of ethanol, physical properties of ethanol, uses of ethanol. Now we are going to discuss about chemical properties of ethanol. Ethanol molecular formula CH3CH2OH. Number of carbon atom present in it is 2. Functional group is OH. So name is ethanol. Molecular formula CH3CH2OH or C2H5OH.
Okay, chemical properties of ethanol. Ethanol molecular formula CH3CH2OH. How many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. So eth. Bonding nature is single bond, so AN. Functional group is OH, so secondary suffix is ON. Ethanol. Ethanol means CH3CH2OH. 2 carbon containing functional group is alcohol. Okay. First chemical property is dehydration. Dehydration. Hydration means water. Dehydration. So, removal of water molecule from the organic compound. Otherwise, loss of water molecule. Okay. Dehydration. So, we must add one catalyst to it. Okay. Dehydrating agent. That is called as dehydrating agent. Here we are using concentrated H2SO4. That is act as a dehydrating agent. Okay. That is remove water molecule from the reactant. Okay. At 443 Kelvin. Okay. Temperature 443 Kelvin. Concentrated sulfuric acid is act as a dehydrating agent. What type of reaction? Dehydration reaction. What do you mean by dehydration? Loss of water molecule from the reactant. So, here loss of water molecule. That means water molecule is removed. H2O. Okay. So, here one of carbon atom is lost OH ions. Another one is lost hydrogen. So, what is formed? CH2, CH2. So, must here forming double bond. Actually, for this compound CH3, single bond CH2OH. Okay. So, here OH compound is removed. Here hydrogen is removed. So, automatically the bond is removed for shifting. New bond is formed. So, double bond. Okay, ma. So, here reactant name is ethanol. Okay. So, product name is how many carbon atom? 2 carbon atom. Ethene. Okay. Why that is called as ethene? 2 carbon containing double bond. Okay. So, ethene at 443 Kelvin in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Here concentrated sulfuric acid is act as a dehydrating agent. Okay. Next reaction with sodium. Sodium is one of the metal. Okay. That is reacted with organic compound. Normally hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay. So, balance this equation 2, 2, 2. Ethanol reacted with sodium. Hydrogen gas is evolved. Product name. This is reactant name ethanol. Hydrogen is replaced by sodium. So, sodium. This is ethanol containing oxygen. So, sodium ethoxide. What's the name of sodium ethoxide? Okay, sodium ethoxide. Ethanol reacted with sodium, hydrogen gas is evolved. At the same time, sodium ethoxide is obtained. Okay. Next reaction, oxidation. What do you mean by oxidation? Yes. Already we have studied simple terms. That is addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Okay, here we are adding oxygen to the ethanol using any one of the oxidizing agent as a catalyst. Okay, normally KMnO4, potassium permanganate in the presence of alkaline medium. So alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate is used as a oxidizing agent. And normally all the organic compound involved for oxidation reaction. Okay, these are the very good oxidizing agents. Okay, these are that any one we are using as a oxidizing reagent. Okay, alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O4. Okay, alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate. Okay. Ethanol involved for oxidation in the presence of any one of the oxidizing agent that is converted into carboxylic acid. Okay, ma? Alcoholic group converted into carboxylic acid. Same number of carbon atom is retained. Already you are well known, carboxylic acid means the functional group is COOH. Okay, so one carbon atom. Here how many carbon atoms? Two carbon atoms. One is converted into COOH. So remaining CH3. So 2 carbon. This group is wholly converted into COOH plus H2O. Okay, ma? So first chemical reaction, dehydration, loss of water molecule in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Here concentrated sulfuric acid is act as a dehydrating agent at 443 Kelvin. Ethanol is converted into ethene. Second reaction with sodium. Sodium metal reacted with ethanol. Hydrogen gas is evolved. Sodium ethoxide as a product. Next, oxidation. Here we are using any one of the oxidizing agent. Normally we are using alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate. Okay, any one of the oxidizing agent we are used. Okay. So, ethanol involved for oxidizing reagent that is converted into carboxylic acid. Here, ethanol converted into, yes, ethanoic acid. What more? Ethanoic acid. Why? That is a 2 carbon containing acid. Okay. So, ethanoic acid. Product name, ethanoic acid. Okay. But it is a dehydration. That means loss of water molecule from the organic compound. Now this is a dehydrogenation. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen from the organic compound. Okay. So here also we are using copper as a catalyst. Temperature 573 Kelvin. Okay. Loss of hydrogen. Okay. Here hydrogen is removed like this. So product is CH3CHO. Okay. Dehydrogenation, removal of hydrogen from the organic compound. So ethanol, this is ethanol in the presence of copper at 573 Kelvin. Hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, product name. How many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. So, eth. Functional group is aldehyde. So, ethanol. Okay. Next chemical property is combustion reaction. That means in the presence of oxygen, ethanol involved for combustion reaction fully converted into carbon dioxide and water. You are well known, ethanol is a highly inflammable liquid. Okay. So, easily burn in air. So, that is burn in air in the presence of oxygen, that is converted into carbon dioxide plus water. Okay. So, these are the some chemical properties of ethanol. Okay. Another one chemical property is esterification. Acid. Okay, carboxylic acid reacted with the alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid that is converted into ester. Ester function group is RCOOR. Actually, this is a fruity smell compound. Okay, carboxylic acid reacted with the alcohol In the presence of inorganic acid, normally we are using concentrated sulfuric acid that is converted into ester or COOR. Okay. For example, now we are taking alcohol is ethanol. Okay. Here we are taking CH3COOH. What is it? Yes, ethanoic acid. So, reacted with ethanol. Ethanol CH3CH2OH in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. What is happening? Here also water molecule is eliminated. So product is CH3COO CH3CH2. Okay. Water molecule is eliminated. This is ethanol. Product name ethyl. Okay, CH2CH3. Okay, ma'am. So CH3 COOH CH2CH3 name is ethyl ethanate. Okay, this is a ester. Name is ethyl ethanate. Okay. So ethanoic acid reacted with ethanol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Ethyl ethanate is obtained. Ethyl ethanate is ester. So the reaction is called as esterification reaction. Okay. Normally, any carboxylic acid reacted with alcohol in the presence of acid that is converted into ester. So the process name is called as esterification.
Next topic is uses of organic compounds in daily life. In our day-to-day life, we are using so many organic compounds. They are used by mankind or associated at all stages of life right from one's birth to death. Various classes of organic compounds we are used in daily life. Some of the compounds are: first one is hydrocarbons. Fuels like LPG, petrol, kerosene, everything is containing hydrocarbons. So many synthetic materials also derived from hydrocarbons. That means hydrocarbon is act as a raw material for various important synthetic materials. Tire, plastic container, everything is prepared from hydrocarbons. So these are polymeric materials. Polymer means that is a complex compound derived from some of the monomer units. Okay, monomers combined together at high pressure and temperature, that is converted into polymer. So polymeric materials are derived from hydrocarbons. Next compound is alcohol. Alcohol is a solvent and is a very good antiseptic agent. This is also used as a raw material for various important synthetic materials. Next compound is aldehyde. Formaldehyde molecular formula HCHO. IUPAC name is methanol. That is a very good disinfectant, and also that is used as a raw material for so many synthetic materials. Next compound is ketone. One of the ketone, acetone, first compound CH3COCH3, propanone, that is act as a very good solvent, and also ketones used as a stain remover. Next component, ether, that is used as an anesthetic agent as well as painkiller. Ester, general formula or COOR. All the cooking oils and lipids containing ester. Already we have studied that is a pleasant smell substance. So that is used for flavoring agent for all cooking oils as well as lipids that is containing esters. These are the some uses of organic compounds in our daily life. Thank you.